Hello and welcome to PedXI Interactive, your home to GCSE revision on the go. Ever wondered how all those TV adverts come up with those stats to show how amazing their product is? Or how politicians state that the average height of a cup of tea has fallen since they've been in charge? Well, in this maths burst, we're going to look at how to find an average when data is given in groups in a frequency table. Those pesky call centre people fill these tables in, then some maths genius like myself will turn up and make some fantastic figures from it. And soon, you'll be able to do this as well. Yippee! In our office, we did a chocolate eating challenge. We timed how long it would take professional chocolate eaters to eat 20 chocolates. Now, some people did it in 19 seconds, some in 16 seconds, some in 29 seconds, and some in 30 seconds or more. I used the same technique as a snake and just gulped them down, no chewing. Now, because there were lots of different times, when we put this data into a table, we grouped up the times and we got a table like this. So anyone that ate all 20 between 16 and 20 seconds goes in this box here, and everyone that ate them between 21 and 25 seconds goes in this box, and so forth. Just to be clear, the frequency is the total number of people who achieved a certain time. From our video on averages, you would have learnt that add then divide is the mean, but in this case it's a little different as it's not just a list of numbers. Yes, quite interesting. To find an estimate for the mean time it took someone to eat the chocolates, we need to add two more columns first. In the first extra column, we're going to find the midpoint of each of the groups. To work out the midpoints of two numbers, you need to add them together, then divide by 2. So for the first one, 15 plus 20 is 35, then half it to get 17.5. For the second one, 20 plus 25 is 45, then half it to get 22.5. For the third one, 25 plus 30 is 55, then half it to get 27.5. And finally, 30 plus 40 is 70, then half it to get 35. Right then, time for the second extra column. We use this column to work out the answers to the frequencies times midpoints. In the top row, we multiply 3 and 17.5 together to get 52.5. In the second row, we multiply 7 by 22.5, which equals 157.5. For the third row, 6 times 27.5 is 165. And finally, 4 times 35 is 140. Almost there, just a couple of other things left to do. We now need to add the numbers in the frequency times midpoint column together. 52.5 plus 157.5 plus 165 plus 140 equals 515. We now need to do the same for the frequency column. 3 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4 equals 20. To find an estimate for the mean, divide these two totals. We get 515 divided by 20, which equals 25.75 seconds. Don't worry about rounding this figure, keep it as accurate as possible. That's fairly quick for people eating 20 chocolates as quick as they can. Please don't try to see if you can beat that though, or you'll be reaching for the antacid tablets. Remember, this experiment was performed by professionally trained chocolate munchers. Brilliant! Now I'm just off to find out what the next office challenge is. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time for the exciting instalment PedXI Interactive Maths.